Okay, so the problem was, let's see if I can go to the test here. I don't know how to make this thing bigger, but let's see. Let's go to my test. It's loading. Okay, let's go there. There we go. The problem was that I kept, now it's not happening, but I kept getting here. This kept happening without, well, I kept coming to the bottom of the page, this opening, even one or two of these, and yeah. So I don't know if it's gonna happen, but it happened every now and then. Now it's not happening anymore, so I suppose it was just something that was very... Here we go. This is what happened. I kept coming down, but then this would also open. So I'm being moved from where I want to be to someplace else, and usually this opens and it's something that I have to recapture. And yeah, and I have to do it like several times during my stay. When I was doing it, it kept happening all the time. Now it's not so often. So maybe it was a problem then, it's not a problem right now. I don't know. Oh well, that's what happened. Okay. Actually, this is what happened. I don't know if I can like move it so you can see, but I'll get these two every time, like when I click. This keep happening. So yeah, it's not every time, it's just every once in a while it keeps happening, stuff like this. And while I was doing the review, it happened a lot. So yeah. Okay.